Hey guys, welcome back to the show. We're gonna do something a little bit different today. We're coming to you from Troubadour Festival at Kyle Field at Texas A&M. One of my favorite barbecue festivals in the world. Started by my buddy Chase Colston and his partner Cody Johnson. This thing is amazing. There are 35 of Texas's top barbecue joints here and awesome music. Travis Tritt, Pat Green, William Clark Green, the Red Clay Strays. Some of the best barbecue you can get anywhere. And what are we serving today? For the VIP, we're making 44 Farms beef ribs, topping it with creme fraiche and a little bit of caviar. And then for the general admission, we've got our famous chicken fried brisket with jalapeno ranch. And all those recipes are on our website, but I'm gonna take you guys along with me today. We're gonna go talk to a bunch of my friends, see what they're making, check out a little bit of music. It's gonna be a ton of fun. Let's go. All right, first stop, the famous Interstellar Barbecue. Super excited, man. Fun to work with you.
Glad to have you, man.
What do you got going today?
So I'm leaning into my Texas roots, and we're doing a classic Polish sausage and some garlic kielbasa today.
I saw you. I've been seeing that on Instagram, so
Yeah.
excited to check it out.
I'm real happy to share with folks, and I mean, hell, there's so much good food here, you can't go wrong anywhere.
This is awesome. All right, let's check it out.
Yeah, let's take a look. Dun, dun, dun.
Tell us a little about this. What's your process? How do you make it?
This is a really old school recipe. It dates back to about the 1960s. So it's an all pork blend, really coarse, got big chunks of fat in there and lean protein, and then it's got loads of garlic, paprika, everything that makes a classic Polish, what you expect, all the hard.
How'd you learn to make sausage?
Self-taught, man.
That's awesome.
I just love it. I nerd out on it. Try to have fun with it.
Tell everybody where to find you in Austin.
So you can find me at on Rancho at 620 out there near Cedar Park. Just come pay us a visit. We'd be happy to have you in.
Come early.
Yeah, come early. Bring some beer while you're there too.
Hey, there's nothing wrong with waiting in line, drinking beer, making new friends.
That's where you made the best friends.
All right, well, with one of my best friends, Steven Rossler, Blue Cord Barbecue.
Damn right.
You look a little busy at the moment.
Hey, that's what we do, baby.
What do we got going here?
So we did some grilled oysters, and we topped them with some smoked prime rib. We put a little garlic butter in there, a little Parmesan Romano and Arciaga cheese, just to kind of give it that little extra, oomph. But yeah, we, being next to you at Troubadour Barbecue Festival, we had to do something to kind of step up our game.
Oh, I like it. You're always creative. I love it.
Yeah, man.
Hey, tell everybody where to find you and what days, because it's unique.
Yeah, so we are kind of unique. I was in the Army for 20 and a half years, and so for us, an everyday job, 24/7, it's kind of hard because it's just my wife and I. But you can find us in Harker Heights, Texas, every Wednesday and Thursday at 300 Morgan Street at a Smile Doctor Dental, like it's an orthodontics place, from 11:30 to 4. So every Wednesday and Thursday in Harker Heights, 300 Morgan Street, come see us.
Get your teeth fixed.
Yeah, get your teeth
Get
fixed.
your barbecue on.
Everything.
Right. These Nomads are sick.
Yeah, they are.
Love cooking on a Nomad. Thanks for being here. Thanks for pulling my trailer in. You're such a good neighbor.
Hey. Yes, sir.
I'm here with my man Jason. I'm here with my 44 Farms family. You guys know I'm a 44 Farms guy. Best beef in the country, never ever product out of Cameron, Texas. What are you making?
Brisket tostados. So we're using Zavala's smoked brisket, 44 Farms briskets.
Okay.
Refried beans on the base, sliced lettuce, as you can see, he's cutting it fresh, some sour cream crema, a little red onions, and some queso fresco on top.
Woo. Woo. I ain't mad at that.
No, and it's gonna eat good. But my food already ate all the food on top, so I'm good.
You're not a vegetarian?
Not a vegetarian. Trying to help those vegetarians. We eat that food that's eating their food.
I like the pickled onions on there. Good touch. That's good. Everybody knows I'm 44 Farms guy. Why don't you tell us a little more about the beef from your perspective? Why it's so great?
We're truly never ever. So no antibiotics, no hormones, no growth pathogens, no steroids ever used, which gives it a great beefy flavor, which is what everybody's looking for. All the barbecue guys are looking for that, which is why Zavala's is using the briskets. Why you use what we got. So I mean, it works out, and because we've been working on the genetics since the last 35 years, which is why we do what we do.
I tell people all the mumbo jumbo about how you raise cattle, it boils down to there's a taste difference.
Very much
so. It's that simple.
Very much so.
Well, thanks for having us.
Thank you, sir.
Well, this is the future CEO. Come here. This is the future CEO of Meat Church. My daughter Ava Pittman, Smarty Pants, just hit a honor roll. Tell us what we're serving.
Chicken fried brisket with jalapeno ranch.
Thank you. It's my buddy Lance, Style Switch. I would consider a mentor, helped me very early on in barbecue.
Early on.
Was kind enough to help me with mainly our sock game. We both had like amazing socks.
Yeah, that got a little too trendy, didn't it?
Yeah. Tell me what you're making today.
We've got our house-made kielbasa sausage with some pickled Fresno's, Lance's mustard, and Dunker's crackers. And then we have the notorious RIB.
All right, explain this.
So it's smoked beef rib over crispy tater tots and queso. And it's the notorious RIB.
Okay, well, there's people waiting in line, but for research purposes, I feel like I need to get in on this.
That's all you, man. Get it.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Dude.
44 Farms beef ribs.
More tender than your mother's love. All right, you guys have a bunch of locations, so tell us where all to find you.
Yeah, sure. So the mothership, the original location is on North Lamar in Austin. And then we've got our location out in Belterra, Dripping Springs, called The Switch. And our newest restaurant in Cedar Park is another Style Switch that we opened 3 years ago.
You guys are what I call barbecue moguls. You get mogul status when you open a third location that's crushing it like y'all are.
Yeah, we're hitting a good lick right now.
Perfect.
Yeah.
All right, my buddy Dane Weaver, super good buddy Dane Weaver, been in many Meat Church videos, including our most famous Holy Voodoo sausage video. Love this guy, and I'm stoked. He's not making barbecue today, he's making his infamous hamburger, so tell us about it.
So yeah, it's our OG burger, so it's just kind of a classic smash burger. Just beef brisket trimmings. So yeah, we just take the trimmings from the brisket, we grind them down, we smash it on a really hot flat top like you can see here, and then we just do American cheese, a cheese sauce. We just toast the bun really good and put a little red onion on it. You don't have to make burgers complicated. I mean, I think people are making burgers a little too complicated lately, and we're getting back to the roots of what a burger really should be, you know?
I said we weren't gonna eat this. I think I'm gonna eat it. Oh my God.
See?
That's stupid. Stupid good.
I ain't mad at it.
I ain't mad at it. All right, I'm here with my good buddy, longtime friend, Russell. What you making today?
Man, we've got a couple things. We've got a beef sausage made with brisket, and it's a hatch chili pepper with pepper jack cheese in it. Ooh. And then we've got a beef chuck flap that we smoked, and then we cooled it, and then we're just braising it back up in beef fat.
So several people have come by my tent today saying this is their favorite bite.
So it's going to be on your menu next time.
Maybe. So one of the things I love about Texas barbecue, you can't just make regular old sausage, and you're making a ton of cool stuff lately. You're making bologna, you're doing all kinds of charcuterie stuff, right?
Right, we're doing charcuterie. We've got a program going where we've got a dry curing cabinet, so we're making our own salami. We're making Right now we've got some pancettas in. We pulled some capicolas here recently. And then we're doing the bologna, we're doing the mortadella, we're doing olive loaf. We're bringing back old school olive loaf,
awesome.
Making it cool again. At one time we had 16 different flavors of sausage that we had been making, and it's a passion for us.
Awesome.
We love it, and it's a good deal, man.
Dude, you've been in this business a long time. You got to tell people where you started. A lot of people I don't think know that.
So I started at Bodacious Barbecue in Longview, Texas, whenever I was 15 years old, and working for a guy named Gary Adams there. And, you know, he was a real good mentor to me, and that was, how old am I? What is that, 30 something years ago?
Crazy. You're an OG.
However old that is. I started in '88 and we're in 2024, so
Do the math.
whatever that is.
Yeah, awesome.
So,
tell everybody where to find you. Multiple locations.
So I've got a store in Houston at 2223 South Voss Road, and we're open 7 days a week there, 11 until 3. And then I've got a store at 20702 Katy Freeway in Katy, and we're open on Wednesday through Saturday, 11 till 8. We are open Sunday 11 to 3, closed Monday, and Tuesday 11 to 3. Kind of weird hours, but that's what works.
I love it. Well, thanks, man.
So
thanks
yeah,
for spending time
we
with us.
got
I gotta
that,
have to.
and we
Woo! I'm getting in on
got
this.
that. Get you a bite.
Dude, that's unbelievable. Crunches like an apple.
Yeah, good stuff.
That's awesome. Thanks, man.
Yeah, thank you. Good to see you.
To come to Barbecue Festival where not only you know all the barbecue joints, but your friends are playing music. It's super cool.
But I've eaten a ton of your barbecue. Like this whole teat on this left side is all your barbecue. Listen, I'm shooting you straight.
I love it. You excited about playing?
I love, first of all, I love playing College Station. A couple of my brothers and sisters went to school here, and of course I've got a ton of friends. You know, my band came from here basically. But anyway, yeah, we've been pretty lucky. We did our first live recording at Shadow Canyon Dance Hall today. Me and the boys, after watching the Aggies play baseball, Jim Schlossnagel had us out to watch the game, and then we went down and just kind of walked. We went to Dixie Chicken and stumbled into some trouble. But
how do you feel about our mutual friend Smitty potentially getting on stage and trying to sing a little tonight?
First of all, Smitty started getting on stage with me literally 22 years ago, and I started introing him as the guitar player from Metallica that got kicked out for being too short. True story.
Oh man. Well, he drugged me on stage with Randy
Rogers. I saw the pictures of that.
The good people of Tyler, Texas didn't pay to hear Meat Church sing, but boy, they got it.
I saw those pictures.
I'm gonna spare you that tonight. I'm just gonna record Smitty in his performance.
Are you gonna sing Wave on Wave?
Yeah, that's the word on the street. Yeah. Not sure what to do with my hands for 3.5 minutes. Man, today has been so much fun here at Shearbuilder Festival. Appreciate you guys tuning into this video. If you like this format, let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all at the next event.